it's not going to happen. It's never going to happen again. We lived in a very beautiful time where Microsoft released a foldable cell phones, well, 2 of them, and those times are over with. So Digital Trends talked about, what if Microsoft brought back their foldable cell phones? Well, they said there's a chance, right? And I really don't think there's a chance. So these patents are getting posted around now. Microsoft filed a crap ton of patents in 2023, 2022, 2021, 2020. They really just went crazy filing patents. And I think the reason why was because, yeah, maybe they had some ideas, right, of potentially in the future. Maybe they'll come back and release a foldable cell phone. I highly doubt they're going to, though. So this patent for this hinge right here is a little bit different than your normal hinge. Normally you have a water dropped hinge. This is a little bit of a different situation. And again, like I said, these patents come out all the time, for being honest. Microsoft patents at this point are getting dropped like every couple months, I feel like. But it's a cool concept. It's a cool idea, you know, just to see Microsoft potentially, you know, coming back in the market. Is this the moment? I don't think this is the moment. I think this is kind of just like hopium at this point, and it would be cool to see it. I'm gonna be honest with you, it'd be very awesome to see it, especially with Samsung kind of going through the whole thing right now with lack of innovation. You know, Google's taking off, OnePlus is taking off. Right, it would be cool to see another player in the game, to not just have Google and Samsung and OnePlus, to have Microsoft back. But again, last time Microsoft was in this game, they were really not good. They put out a very much unfinished product in the Surface Duo 1. While the hardware was great, software sucked. They fixed it over time, still wasn't perfect. Surface Duo 2 was their chance at a Grand Slam. Butchered that when it comes to the majority of the public's opinion. I love the Surface Duo 2. I love the Surface Duo 1 as well. Duo 1's my favorite device of all time. But for a lot of people, they hated it. They hated the Duo 1, they hated the Duo 2. So it just doesn't make logical sense for Microsoft to even entertain the idea of getting back into the industry. I think this is really just, they filed a bunch of patents, posted, and now they're getting posted because they're getting, you know, they're going through. And again, maybe also, if Microsoft wants to, they can, you know, create a different division that is based on them creating these hinges and selling them to big companies like Samsung, Google, you know, OnePlus, etc. Right? That's another concept as well. So I know we love the idea, we love the concept, and I wouldn't have even talked about this if it wasn't for Digital Trends posting this, because every other place I've seen it is not really like a reputable source. Like, it's not like a thing I actually look at and go, okay, well, I'm gonna read this. Like, so this is, you know, it's interesting, but at the same time, it's just a patent. It really is just a patent, and we're gonna get that over and over again, pretty much. But see you guys in the next one. Peace out.